So let's look at the addressable technology services spend in 2023 and how that would have looked like, right? Over 50% of it would come from classic build, which is largely to do with app dev, UI, UX, analytics, BI, which is what classically most of us have been comfortable selling and delivering. The rest was actually data platform integration and so on and so forth, where the value pools existed and the value pools are right now is very, very different. There are absolutely new value pools that are getting created. Now, when this is happening, and it's not just on your side of things about how, so just view how some of the customers are kind of reacting to this. Now, every time I have this conversation with private equities or with CEOs, they're like, hey, if this is the reality, then why won't the customers themselves do it? There are probably about 50 global CIOs who would have the muscle to do that. The rest are kind of struggling today. And these are the three main problems that you would see out there. A is what we call the blind agent problem, right? It's more or less wherein you don't know where the data is because everything is kind of unstructured. Deploying an agent is not going to solve it. You need to fix the plumbing out there. And it's kind of super difficult for you to do it by yourself. You're always going to look for a partner. There's a governance vacuum as well. Third part, the organizations are simply not structured to kind of do it by they're not designed for change, they're designed to run. And that's the bigger problem for them.